Those born with a moon in Capricorn or who are Capricornians are likely to benefit from the Jupiter transit in more ways than one. Jupiter transit is in the 9th house for them, representing higher learning, wisdom and wealth. So, if you are not have not studied or specialized in your field of work, please specialize so that the higher learning can bring in wisdom to your mind, and wisdom is always followed by wealth, because a person who has brains, there's never a dearth of money. So you are likely to take long journeys. There's a lot of travel for you, for people who are Capricornians or for whose moon is in the Capricorn, which will turn out to be useful to meet your targets. All the efforts that you put in between 2016 August to 10th October 2017, I can challenge my profession, you're bound to get bountiful. The efforts will be rewarded. But the bottom line is efforts. Capricornians can be very, very lazy. So the efforts, if they are not put in, please don't come and ask me, you said that Jupiter is going to give me bountiful, but I didn't get anything. My answer, question to you, I'll counter question you by asking, but what are the seeds that you sowed? You turn very spiritual. This spiritualism is not, it's not like you go for a spiritual shopping. It is basically you become contemplative, you become introspective, you think, you become wise, and you rise above all the circumstances. It's like I would say a stark reality comes and hits your face, and you can analyze and differentiate between the correct and the incorrect. In my scheme of things or my perception, there's nothing correct or incorrect. But what I feel is what is correct for you. It may not be correct for the other person, but you actually contemplate, introspect and do things which you feel are right and which you feel are correct for you. So this is the time for you to go ahead and look into your own self. That is spiritualism for me. Now, a fortunate time for higher education. Those looking to study abroad will succeed in their efforts. Those who are wanting to do business abroad will succeed in their efforts. Your siblings are also likely to perform well and excel in their own field. So the entire family scene can be very happy. Your siblings, your children, or you yourself would actually be in a very comfortable period. However, what you need to be really cautious about, Capricornians, is your health concerns will arise. So if you have a correct diet and if you've had your test done and if you're completely strong, your health will be good. Nevertheless, you should be cautious. Nevertheless, you should take care, and especially because of your laid back and lethargic attitude, that is where the problems come. So if you're active, you're doing your gymming, you're eating a proper diet and you're remaining happy, your health will not suffer. So that's for you, Capricornians. Now, since I'm making these videos for people to be aware, I'm demystifying astrology according to my perceptions and according to my experience. But these are generic. You cannot just take it because there are so many factors that are involved in an individual when we have to make a person understand that this is what is going to happen to you. That will require a personal chart. If you want to know exactly what Jupiter, the do's and don'ts during the Jupiter transit, then you need to actually get onto our website, get onto connectme@dollymangar.com and know what individually it can do to you, and I would be sending you a complete note on you yourself. Thank you.